Here are the tips and tricks shared by an expert to ace the upcoming NIFT 2023 examination. The National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT, ranks among the premier institutes to shape your passion for fashion creativity into a viable career option. Every year, thousands of candidates appear for the entrance test of the institute, and selection is conducted on the grounds of a merit list. Tips for last-minute preparation. 1. It is essential to be calm before attempting the exam to stay creative. The same can be garnered by ensuring adequate rest and a routine sleep cycle. 2. Check required documents, ID cards, stationery, etc. a day prior to the exam. 3. Go through the paper first and divide the time according to the nature of the questions. Draw your idea with a basic sketch for all questions first and keep the detailing for later. This will help your idea get evaluated in case you run out of time. 4. In the aptitude section, first go for the questions you are more confident of, and only attempt the questions if you are in doubt, as there is a negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer. General tips. 1. Early preparation. Begin preparing for the exam early and keep a due check on important dates like the registration, admit card issue, exam, and correction window, among others. Revise each of the subjects thoroughly to make sure to get all of the portions. 2. Know the syllabus. Make sure to understand the syllabus of the examination thoroughly. Prepare with the help of previous year's question papers and comprehend the entrance exam pattern over the years. Your syllabus is a roadmap for the course that details topics that need to be covered. Also, review your syllabus regularly and note any changes that may occur. 3. Observation skills. 0. Gradually invest in your observational skills. While drawing, it is essential to make note of details to take advantage of fine particulars. The same helps students in the drawing section of the exam. If you want to improve your observation skills, you can do a few things. Pay attention to your surroundings and notice as many details as possible. Try to find patterns and connections in what you observe. Feel free to ask questions and get clarification on what you have seen. 4. Sketching practice. Focus on your sketching practice daily. A daily walkthrough to sketching can assist students with topics like object drawing, perspective, human figures, shading, etc. 5. Brainstorm ideas and improve creativity. There are many ways to brainstorm and enhance creativity. One is to take some time to think about what you want to achieve and what you need to do to get there. Another approach is to ask questions and get input from others, which can help you get new ideas and perspectives. Many tools and resources can help you brainstorm ideas and improve creativity, like mind mapping, brainstorming software, and creative thinking exercises. 6. Regularly practice aptitude topic sheets. One of the best practices to improve your aptitude is to practice aptitude topic sheets regularly. This will help you familiarize yourself with the types of questions asked and identify your strengths and weaknesses. 7. Go for as many mocks as possible. The more mock you appear to, the more you will get to realize your strengths and weaknesses. The process will help you to work on your weaknesses and improve your performance. Appearing for more mocks will also help you get used to the exam pressure and perform better on the day of the exam. That's all for now. Share this with all your friends and don't forget to download the Design Teenage app and check out the NIFT Self-Study Preparation Guide for your last-minute preparation. For any queries, log on to www.descienteenage.com.